In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get the rabbit pet in Hypixel Skyblock. The methods I will show you in this video are super easy, both for normal players but also for Ironman profile players. So technically there's two ways for you to obtain this pet. And the first one is to go into the auction house at spawn and buy it from there. And just quickly show you how much it is today. You can just go down, and sorry for the lag. Just go up here, click on auction agent, and click here, and just search for it here. You need to click in rabbit, like so. And as you can see, now there's a bunch of these skins. There's over 100 million. You need to go down to sort to lowest and to buy it now. And as you can see, you get a rare rabbit pet for 200k. The next method I'm going to show you is for Ironman profile, and it's quite easy to obtain. So the rabbit pet is a craftable pet that you can unlock at raw rabbit level 2. And there's two recipes for you to obtain the rabbit pet. The first recipe is a way for you to obtain the rabbit pet in either common, uncommon, or rare rarity. And the second recipe is for rarities such as epic and legendary. So the first recipe, you'll need 64 raw rabbit and 1 enchanted egg. If you decide to buy the ingredients directly from the bazaar, however, you'll spend around 642,000 coins. There are 3 rarities that can drop if you make this recipe, and this is a common, which has a 50% chance to appear in the crafting table, an uncommon who has 35% chance to appear, and a rare which only has 15% chance of appearing in the crafting table. The next recipe, you'll need 64 raw rabbit and 1 super enchanted egg. This recipe has 2 rarities, and this is an epic one who has an 80% chance of appearing, and a legendary rarity that has 20% chance of appearing in the crafting table. And that is basically how you get it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!